quick 3-minute video on Bally's, Atlantic City, that's located on the iconic Boardwalk with some rich history. And we're going to talk all about one of the first emerging casinos in Atlantic City. Bally's opened its door December 30th, 1979, and was originally named Bally's Park Place. It was the third casino to open in Atlantic City following Resorts International, May 1978, and Casino Boardwalk. That was June 1979. The property incorporated a new revolutionary hotel that was called the Dennis Hotel. Now, expansions included in 1981, the expansion, its footprint to acquire Claridge Hotel and Casino, which operated just adjacent to the Bally's Park Place. For the first time, the properties were connected, known as the Bally's Park Place and Claridge Hotel. Now, in 1989, we saw the construction of a significant amount of rooms being added to a tower, a modern-day tower featuring a light pink glass exterior. It was a total of 750 rooms. Now, in 1997 was a major upgrade that they made by opening the Wild Wild West Casino. This was the second casino at Bally's offering a Wild West theme to its, or at least a Western theme. It was wild, though, if you ever got there in the early 2000s. Now, nevertheless, the ownership has changed multiple times. 1997, we have Bally's Entertainment, which took the ownership and was acquired by Hilton's property for $3 billion. Then in 2017, we saw some other changes. It was transferred to a company, Vic Properties, and they owned, looks like Caesars and some other ones. Nevertheless, the sale, the rebranding, it kept going. From 2002, we saw the Twin Rivers Worldwide Holding acquire Bally's from Caesars for only $25 million, starting a new chapter for the property. They also acquired the rights for the Bally's brand for $20 million. That does make some sense. Now, November 22, they opened the official name to Bally's Corporation, solidly identifying them as a historical casino brand. Now, their commitment and vision continues until 2024 into 2025, when they transferred Standard General and Queens Casino, further expanding their portfolio around the world of different casinos they own. Now, it's over 45 years since the Bally's Casino has been open, and maybe you know someone that works there. Let us know down in the comment section some of that amazing history, and we'll be sure to add it down below. That's it for this quick video.